Hi guys, we're going to go out and test somebody's toys. Okay. So guys, my husband will play his toy. At the same time, I'm going to tour you around here in Berka. So guys,
I think those are grapes. Those.
We're going to go to the jungle.
Did you know this one is called yanten?
What?
This yanten.
What's yanten?
This one is good for the inflammations or the infections. People take it as a tea.
I don't know where this guy is going, but we passed by here before, but it was a long time.
And it was winter. In winter, everything looks
Different.
No leaves, not many colors. Everything is gray, the sky cloudy. It gets dark real quick. 4:30 p.m. it's already dark. Right now we're still in summer. It's 6:32 and the sun is there like it's 4:03 p.m.
So we're already back in the pavement. From there in the forest, and now we're back here. So this is an old building, guys. I don't know what it is, but it's really old building. Look at their chimneys. Their water is really clean. There are a lot of fishes there. That is my husband over there. We have here this is a railway where the train passed by, of course. The regional train. We have here a basketball court, something for a skateboarding, and football. It's really silent here, which is we like, because we don't like crowded places. So where are we going to play your thingy?
Near the lagoons.
Oh, okay. So guys, we're going to bring you in the lagoons. Somebody will play there. Huh? This is what I like here, guys. In every corner of the forest, there's a bench where the family could, or anyone could sit and have some snacks or whatsoever. So now guys, we are here in the lagoon. This is the look during summer. It's also nice here during winter. This water here, they're all frozen. And when the winter was really heavy, I have a colleague, she used to bring her kids in here, and she said they'd ice skate in this lagoon. It's really nice, right? Nature really heals people, and it's very common to do bicycle here for the Germans, and we want to have bicycle as well, but right now, maybe not now, next year, maybe next summer, because we're preparing something for this year, and so we're trying to save. Look guys, right now it's around 6 something p.m. and the sun is really still high. I think the sunset would be around 9 p.m. So it's really good to still go out even this late, because when I was still in the Philippines at around 5 p.m. it's already dark and we have to be inside the house, or else you will get in trouble with your mom and with my grandma before, when she was still alive. So this is the other side of the lagoon. When I was still living here alone, Omar was still in his country. After work or any time I have free, this is my favorite spot in here. I walked here in the lagoon alone and just stay for half an hour maybe and do a muni muni, and you will come back refreshed, because work is really stressful. There are two separated lagoons here, one from here and here on the other side. There are also fishes there, and in here you are not allowed to fish without a permit. Little kiddo is all parked, and that guy over there, oh, is ready.
Okay, the drone flying session is over for today. Very productive, I might say. We had a lot of fun, so much fun, honestly. It's been quite some time since the last time I was flying a drone, maybe around a year or so, but I did it again today, and from now on I will have the opportunity once in a while to fly it, because yeah, that's something I really like, I enjoy. So today's video is complete. See you next time.